life has changed so much since graduating from college, getting married, and moving to a new state. I've been going with the flow, and I'm not really the go with the flow type. I need a little structure. It's time that I build a new routine to help me keep grounded. If you're in a similar phase of life, stick around because I have some practical tips and some personal experiences to share. The first step in rebuilding a routine is reflecting on the changes you've undergone. Graduating college and entering marriage are huge milestones that can impact your daily life. Take a moment to jot down your thoughts and feelings about this new chapter. Once you've reflected, it's time to set your priorities. What are your personal and professional goals? For me, it's maintaining a healthy lifestyle, pursuing a fulfilling career, and nurturing my relationship. Now let's create a flexible schedule. Be realistic about your time commitments and allocate blocks for work, exercise, quality time with your partner, and self-care. Flexibility is key. Life throws curveballs, and it's important to adapt. Balancing work, relationships, and personal growth can be a challenge. Prioritize self-care activities that bring you joy and relaxation, like exercise, meditation, or pursuing hobbies. In my case, reading brings me joy, so my goal is to find time to read every day. Communication is vital, especially in marriage. Regularly talk with your partner about your goals, schedules, and how you can support each other's routines. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Amidst the hustle, never forget to make time for quality moments with those you love. Graduating and getting married mark the beginning of a beautiful adventure. Rebuilding a new routine tailored to your new life stages require patience, flexibility, and open-heartedness. Embrace the change, embrace the growth. Build a routine that brings you joy, purpose, and fulfillment. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time, I'll see you later. This is a Vampire Slayer Rebel with a soft top from Dutch Bros. It is strawberry and pomegranate. Get you one if you have the Dutch Bros near you. I know in Georgia, where I'm from, we don't have Dutch Bros yet, but in Tennessee, we do. So, also, Guillermo over here is being a very good boy. He may be in a food coma because I gave him peanut butter. He's a good boy. Momo, you want to say hi? You want to say bye? No. No movement. Okay.